The next thing I'm going to bring in is an experiment node. So GrowthLoop experiment nodes allow you to split up your audience, or in this case, the subgroup, into as many different variations as you want for A/B testing, treatment control testing. Really, whatever you can dream up, we'll handle the random assignment, and we'll write all of this back to your warehouse and to your destination. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say that for these folks in the pets group, I'm going to have an email copy experiment. So I'm going to have two versions of my email copy. And I had the option of splitting people up by percentage, so 50% in one group, 50% in the other, or by count. So giving an actual number. So if I have a certain budget, I don't want to go over that budget for my campaign, I can always put in just an exact count for the number of people that should get each email. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do percentage. I'm going to do my copy 1 version, gets 45% of people. Copy 2 gets 45%. And then I'm going to add another group. I'm going to say that control gets the remaining 10%. So experiment nodes, like I said, really great way to ensure that you're testing your different content, your different channels, because I'll be able to split these folks down any path that I want at this point.